Hi, Caleb here. Today we're going to be hanging a hammock. We're going to need a hammock. My tree goes kind of straight up. If we had large branches that went at a more of a right angle, this would be really easy. We don't, so I'm going to have to climb up there. We're also going to need a cable. Cable shoes, like this one right here. Cable clamps, like this one right here. Whoop, dropped it. Like this one. One of these, which I believe they're called clampy wrenches. We'll need some carpet to keep our cable from injuring the tree. Finally, a socket wrench that we're going to use to screw it all together, put it all together. So let's take our hammock. I'm going to climb that tree and let's see what shakes loose. Okay, let's climb this tree. I'm going to put the carpet down and then the cable over. What's this? What's this? What's this over? Good. So we've more or less got the cable installed. I'm going to take one end, a shoe, cable shoe, and well, you'll see. You're very excited. Yeah, very good. And what's this? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Up. Say bye-bye. Okay, so we've got our clamp shod end of the cable and the other end here. All right, I'm going to put this through here. All right. There it goes. Okay, so now that our cable is secure, we're gonna make another clamp, attach the hammock to that, and we're done. Love it. Well, hope you like it. Hope you know how to build it.